Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to fix Anydesk address not showing. So basically what you'll have to do is simply uninstall Anydesk from your computer, and you'll have to uninstall all the files, and then basically what you'll have to do is simply change your date and time. So as you can see, it's 27 December and you can see the time here in the top right corner. Now, if you're using a Windows or Mac device, it doesn't matter. So you'll have to change, let's say 27, I'll have to change to 26. And then from 10 o'clock, I'll have to change to 9. And then what you'll have to do then after you change the time and the date, you'll have to reinstall Anydesk on your device. And basically that's all you have to do. So this is how you can fix Anydesk address not showing. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.